We have the battery sizes for the iPhone 13 series, from the mini until the 13 Pro Max. Now, Apple has said that these devices are a lot better in terms of battery life than its predecessors. The iPhone 12 series were not the battery champs. Now, this is a redemption for iPhones. This is the best battery life you can get on the market if you're looking for iPhones right now. And I'll tell you how much milliamps of battery you get with each device. So just for context, let's look at what it was like last year from the iPhone 12 mini, which was 2,227 milliamps. The iPhone 12 was 2,775 milliamps. The iPhone 12 Pro was 2,815 milliamps. And the iPhone 12 Pro Max was 3,687 milliamps. Now, these were not the best by a long shot, but this year is redemption time. This year, Apple has upped the game and they put in the mini, in the 13 mini, a 2,450 milliamp battery. In the 13, a 3,240 milliamp. In the 13 Pro, a 3,125 milliamp. And in the 13 Pro Max, a 4,373 milliamp battery. Now, there are two things I want to mention over here. Number one, iPhone 13 Pro has a smaller battery than the iPhone 13. This is a first. This is weird. The Pro device doesn't have a better battery life than the non-Pro device. I mean, it makes sense. You have more things in the Pro device than the non-Pro device, and they are still the same size. And the other thing I want to mention is finally we stepped over the 4,000 mark. We have a 4,373 milliamp battery in the Pro Max. That means it's the ultimate battery champion among all of the iPhones. So if you're looking for the best of the best battery life with your iPhone, you have to go with the 13 Pro Max. I personally went with the 13 Pro Max. It's arriving tomorrow. I can't wait to test it. I can't wait to show it to you guys. And be sure that I'm going to be doing a battery test throughout the whole day on how it actually performs and how much battery life I have at the end of the day. I'm going to be traveling on Saturday, so it's a perfect thing. Sunday, probably the video is going to be out. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that. Now, guys, you know the sizes of the batteries. Maybe this is going to help you choose the perfect iPhone for you. Maybe this information Apple doesn't really publicly tell the people, but now that the iPhones are out in the wild and journalists are getting their hands on them, this is information that we can see. So, the battery champ, iPhone 13 Pro Max. iPhone 13 Pro has a smaller battery than the iPhone 13, and the mini, well, that's the mini. It's not such a big battery, but it's a little bit bigger than the iPhone 12 mini, so yay, I guess. I doubt that 200 milliamps is 1.5 hours plus of usage, but we'll see. We will have to see. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.